Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 236 total meters. Ito naman printer head na hindi pa napalitan. Cupping na 90% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. After head clean, nozzle test. Ang system tama lang po. Ground wire, AVR, waste tank, nilinis lang po ito kahapon. Ito lang ang stock namin si Moike. Ito naman yung sable paper, delay output record, consumable monitoring, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sable paper, weekly checklist, ICC profile. Yan lang po.